Hi guys, very quickly before we start, remember to hit that subscribe button over there so you will get a notification for all the new videos to come, and it keeps me going. Thank you very much. Hello everybody, welcome back to the channel. Thomas Love here from beautiful Vancouver, British Columbia, and today we are in Yaletown and we're gonna practice with some zone focusing. I will now mount my action cam on top of the camera in the hot shoe, so we will have a POV shooting with a few examples for you to enjoy and for all of us to discuss in the comments down here. I shared another video with a tutorial, the link is above here, feel free to go and check it out, and now we're gonna start shooting. Let's go rolling. So how was it? Did you enjoy the session? If you did, please feel free to like the video, share it on your socials, subscribe with the button down here, and I guess I will see you later. Bye.